Hello everyone, welcome to my Kizu channel. My name is Mark and today we'll have another video, but now about the cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. Dogecoin, like, damn, there's a lot of people gonna be like say that now about what happened about Dogecoin. Look, for me, now I remember that I bought Dogecoin when it was 0.004 for $64. Look what happened at the last months. It's going like 1,600%, 1,600% at the last months. Look at the number 0.69. At the same point that I bought it, so like imagine if I have the $63 right now, it would be at 1 month only $1,200. Okay, so I'm actually like, I don't know, I'll be sad or not, but like I talked about what happened. Today it's actually talking about 1 week, 0.007, and then going all the way up. Okay, so if you say to go right now to Dogecoin to buy it, it is actually a good idea, but not for a long time. Okay, so but in your mind, if it be like 0.014, 0.14, 0.10, just like double your money and try to escape. Now is actually a good percent. Like it is actually a huge number. But in your mind, Elon Musk, if you saw that, Elon Musk just make a tweet about the same thing about Dogecoin. Let me see. I'll show you. I see that, yeah, it's from Bitcoin. Look here. Elon Musk just made a one tweet about it, and remember what happened to Signal when he made a tweet. So Dogecoin, I think, is gonna go up right now because Elon Musk said like make a tweet about it, and if you know Wall Street Bet, that if you want to see also GameStop, look at GameStop. Look, now it was like from 1 week here, $18, $19, now $311. Why? Because of Wall Street Bet. They said, okay, we're gonna go and buy GameStop. Look at the number right now. And the same thing now happened at Dogecoin. I wish I didn't buy. I didn't sell it. I'm actually like, oh my god, I feel like I'm so depressed about this thing. But anyway, now we're still like we're still in the game. If you want to go, and buy it right now, it was actually so like it's moving so fast. Okay, so don't put a lot of money on it. Just like $100, put $100 and like keep it, forget it, and just wait. It might be like $200 tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question, if you have any concern about what I said, that's my prediction. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just like try to get money from what I understand, what I believe, what I like, which is the stock market. Cryptocurrencies is kind of my game because I know Bitcoin when it was like $11 and I didn't buy it too. So I don't know. I have a bad luck at the cryptocurrency. Actually hate them because anytime I remember Bitcoin, I remember when it was $11 and I refused it. Anyway, I feel like just invest on it. Just invest on it. Just wait for them, and you might be a millionaire from them. You don't know anything. Like you don't know what will happen tomorrow. You don't know what happened next year about for Dogecoin, for Bitcoin. So just invest it on it, and I wish the best for you guys. I have a good day.